Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a brand new 2024 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. Start at the stern of the boat. We've outfitted the boat with the upgraded 200 horsepower Mercury V6, and that's with the white paint. The swim platform, gunnels, and step in front of the console have the teak inlays, so it does have the teak package. Another great feature about the 210 Montauk is the easy access in and out of the boat. You have a flip down backrest here to step in, and then nice high back support when you want to use these two aft jump seats. You also get 4 rod holders across the transom. This boat does have the white rub rail with the stainless steel insert. As you'll see in the photos, it is a white hull boat with the chrome graphics. Moving up towards the helm seat underneath has the live well option, some tool storage here, powder coated leaning post with the 4 rod holders. Then you have a flip up, flip down bolsters for both the captain and the passenger side. Great visibility over the helm. We've outfitted this boat with the Simrad GPS and fish finder, JL audio for your stereo system with 4 speakers on board. You have your Lenco trim tabs with LED indicator here at the helm, a lockable glove box, nice big hardtop overhead with the white powder coat. Making our way up to the bow of the boat, inside the console you are going to have a head compartment. We'll show those in the photos. Forward-facing seating here in the bow of the boat includes the carry-on, carry-off cooler, 2 forward-facing backrests which are removable. Underneath your sun pad, you have a nice big fish box, which is insulated. And then forward of that is your anchor locker. And then we have our trolling motor panel and a removable bow light on your chock up front. You also have the low profile bow rails and low profile stern rails. So that's a real quick look at our 2024 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.